Hello, welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of DIY and decorating ideas. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned and decorate for fall with me. So as you can see, these beautiful curtains and throw blanket is in this gorgeous color, and the color is terracotta. So this is the color that I am going for fall. So what I'm going to do today is change the look around just to give more of a fall warm feel. And of course, y'all, I've got to change out my curtains. So yeah, I needed to get that really neutral toned down color of a cream kind of buttermilk look for my curtains. The gray was just not going to go with the look that I'm going for. So that's what I am beginning to do, taking down my drapes and going ahead and putting up these beautiful velvet feel curtains that I bought off of Amazon, and the link will be in the description box. These curtains are blackout to an extent to where you cannot see from the outside in, but they're very light, very gorgeous, and like a really luxurious feel. And the length is 108 inches. I always get really long curtains, and also my ceiling goes up pretty high, so I think that an 84-inch just would never work for my windows. So I have to order my curtains usually from IKEA or Amazon, or of course Home Goods, because they always have 108 your 96 inches, and those are the ones that work for me. So basically, I am just going to move around the furniture just enough so that I can get into this space here, so that I can switch out my area rug and change around the decor, including adding pillows and just different really nice pieces throughout the space. This rug is really pretty. It's like a cream kind of indented chevron design on it. Just a really simple plain rug, which is what I was looking for, so that I can have a neutral area rug so that I can decorate around it and it can, work with multiple looks. So I'm just going to tidy up a little bit before I get going. So stay tuned.